guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing great. If you are new, you are welcome anytime, and if you are a subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. Sorry for my voice cold. So I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this look. Is clip hair. So I used it before. I will link the link of the video down below. You can go and check, because I write where I ordered the hair. I write it down. Then don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment down below, turn on your notification close to subscribing. After you subscribe, you see one small bell, then just press it. Anytime I upload a video, you will be the first person to notify, and keep watching. Love you guys. I just take down my cornrows. My hair was very soft. Then I'm just going to like put a part in one side, then cut this side down and cut this side down. I will weave. I don't really know how to explain this parts. Anyway, you will be watching me and see how I achieve it. If you have a lot of hair in the front side, will be like will be lovely. But what to do? We have to do what we got to do, man. So so I will just break this side to down of my ear, then I will cut this side to down of my ear. Anyway, I'm not going to braid it till the down. You'll be watching me. I'm just going to use my hand to cut it. See them be hating now. She carry you, her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I will love you forever, oh. After adding it to the other one, I braid so that it will leave the road not to be disturbing me. That I will just cornrows the left hair to back side. No, they do me, she you wanna come now you I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it out. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me. After cornrowing it, I will use a crochet to hide the one that I braid out. Then I will use veggie hair fertilizer to rub the part of my hair, then massage it in. I will be using this clip. It doesn't matter like how you clip it, is going to full. Just what you just need to do is to like give a gap, not to be close to each other, because if it's too close from the back side will be very full. Maybe if it's too full, you are not going to like it the way you like it. Then you just have to be using your hand to like look the distance of the down one, know where you are going to put the other one. I just repeat this process until everything, just the front side, I don't know if you will understand me. I clap it. I make this side like slip face up, then I make this side face down, so that one side will be high. That is the side this time I'm going for. I want one side to be high. If you see the way I clip it now, then I move it back. I'm going to clip another one from the back side like that. Then this place will be high.
body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it out. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go.
So after I finish clip, then I'll just use brush to brush it, then lose the one I cornrows from the front side, the hair I leave out, then brush it in. If you like, you can use hot comb for your own, not the extension, then it's fine. For me, I don't feel like using hot comb, because even if I use hot comb, I can't use hot comb for the small hair. It's still going to, it's like I'm going to burn myself. You can even leave it like this or pack it backside, anyone. Then I want it to be high. I'm going to be apply gorilla gel to make it strong in that place, then it will be high. When this place is dry now, then just flip it like this, it will look like this. Then I will just apply oil, play with the hair. That is the final look of this hair, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, like, leave a comment down below, turn on your notification. Anytime I upload, you will be the first person to be notified. Love you guys. Bye. See you in my next video.
And I be